I'm Ran Tsalic, Business Development Manager at Bioproduction by Sekisui. We're a specialist CDMO focused on microbial fermentation products. So anything from enzymes, plasmids, chromatography ligands, and really anything under the sort of recombinant protein umbrella. We have over 40 years of experience, working with our partners, predominantly in biopharma, to really take their products from early development all the way up to commercial manufacturing. The CDMO landscape in 2025 is going to rapidly develop as it does every year, really. I think biopharma businesses are going to look for partners with deep process expertise, a lot of flexibility around their products, and as ever, a reduced timeline to market. Um, I really think with complexities currently within the ever-changing regulation landscape and complexities with supply chain, I think those CDMOs that offer end-to-end solutions are going to be in high demand. I think it should be said that for partners in manufacturing, or that a manufacturing partner goes really far beyond just production. They really are an extension of your existing team, and so they should really fit from both a professional stance, but also from a cultural stance as well. And I think the key to that is one, early engagement and strategic input from the manufacturer as well. I really think that transparency early on and really having the end product in mind enables your partner to tailor a program specifically to you, and give you sort of a full offering at a timely manner that is both cost effective and efficient. In 2025, I predict that we will be moving away slightly from topics like AI and process optimization and automation. I think the key topics are going to, again, be sustainability and scalability, as I think those are more imminent and currently fit the need for, truncated timelines to market.